Venmo has significantly expanded its direct deposit capabilities, making it easier than ever to find your account and routing numbers. These numbers are essential for setting up direct deposit from your employer or other sources. The primary method is through the Venmo mobile app. Start by opening the Venmo app on your phone and locating the menu icon, which appears as three horizontal lines. From the menu, select Settings, then navigate to Direct Deposit. You'll see this option highlighted in the menu, making it easy to locate among other Venmo features. Next, tap on Account and Routing Numbers. For security purposes, Venmo will require you to verify your identity using your PIN, biometric authentication, or password before displaying this sensitive information. After verification, you'll see your account and routing numbers displayed on screen. Notice the copy buttons next to each number for easy copying, and the eye icon that allows you to show or hide your account number for privacy. Alternatively, you can access this information through the Venmo website. Simply log in to venmo.com, navigate to Settings, then Direct Deposit, and click Show Account Details after completing identity verification. Understanding what these numbers represent is important. Your account number is a unique identifier that allows deposits to reach your specific Venmo account. The routing number identifies which bank processes your transactions, either the Bancorp Bank or Wells Fargo. With these numbers in hand, you can set up direct deposit with your employer or any other organization that offers electronic payments. Keep this information secure and only share it with trusted sources for legitimate direct deposit purposes. Venmo partners with two major banks to provide secure direct deposit services. The Bancorp Bank and Wells Fargo serve as the backbone of Venmo's banking infrastructure. Direct deposit adoption on Venmo has exploded in recent years. Usage increased by 340% from 2022 to 2024, showing massive growth in digital banking preferences. Venmo offers several advanced direct deposit features. You can split deposits between multiple accounts, receive instant notifications when money arrives, and access integrated budgeting tools. Compared to traditional banks, Venmo offers significant advantages. Setup is 73% faster, and users save an average of $84 annually in banking fees. Security is paramount with direct deposit. Venmo provides bank-level encryption and fraud monitoring. Users should enable biometric authentication and monitor their accounts regularly for optimal security. Venmo Direct Deposit combines the convenience of digital banking with traditional security measures. With FDIC insurance, advanced features, and significant cost savings, it represents a modern approach to personal banking.